Good morning students, welcome back to our online class. Today we are going to see second part of sea turtle lesson. First part we are see the types of sea turtles. Today we are going to olive ridley laying eggs. Let's start our lesson. Between the month of January and March, female olive ridley come ashore at night to lay their eggs. In the month of January to March, the female olive turtles are come ashore in the night time and lay their eggs. This is quite a problem for them as turtle's front lip enable it to swim gracefully and effortless, but are not very useful for moving on land. This is a biggest problem for them for laying eggs on seashore. The turtles flippers is enable flippers enable to swim gracefully and effortless, tireless to moving on land. The turtle has hauled itself laboriously onto the beach. Then it chooses a spot well away from high tide line. The turtles has put more effort and lot of time on to the beach. They wait for the good time and put more effort to lay their eggs on the seashore, and choose the spot away from the high tide line. Okay, here it scoop out a nest cavity 45 centimeter deep. It's a cavity, an empty space, and its depth is 45 centimeter. Okay, into which it lay about 100 eggs. On the time one sea turtle lay 100 eggs. Okay, each egg is in the shape and size of table tennis ball. One egg is look like the shape and size like table tennis ball. Once all the eggs are laid, the turtle fill in the cavity. One sea turtle lay all the eggs in the cavity. Cavity means empty space within solid object. Empty space and it full of solid object means sea turtle eggs. Then it camouflages the nest by toasting sand on it using it flippers. In the place they lay the eggs and hide the place with toasting sands. With the flipping that done, it returns to sea. After the hiding their eggs and all the female turtles go to the sea, the eggs are left to incubate under the warmth of sun. The eggs are left into incubate. Incubate means some bats sit on eggs, keep them warm, but the turtles are not sit there. They went see again, so the incubate under the sunlight. Okay, in many places around the world, local people follow the track of turtle to its nest. They collect the eggs for eating. In the world, some places the local people, the Australia people, follow the track means the footprint of sea turtle, and the people caught the eggs and eating. Some domestic dogs, jackals like fox or pigs to dig up and eat the eggs, followed by the scent left the turtles. The domestic animals, some forest animals smell the turtles fragrant and they dig the eggs and eat. Those eggs that escape such people and predicate hatch for 45 to 60 days later. Hatchings. Those eggs that escapes people's and predicate animal they naturally preys others, hatch for 46 to 60 days. The hatchling slash means cut into pieces, open the leathery eggshell with the help of tiny egg's tooth. The turtles open the egg with the egg tooth to slash their eggs. This is like razor blade. The teeth look like a razor blade. At the tip of hatching, young animal snort out. Snort out means protecting nose or mouth. When the most of egg have hatches, the hatchling push themselves upwards through the sand and emerge on the surface of the beach. From there, here they make hurried dash to the sea. And the most of the eggs have hatched, the young animals push them upward through the sand and emerge, move out of the surface of the beach. Take the surface of the beach, and from they make to hurry dash to the sea again. Okay. Glossaries. Flipper, board, predator, animal that kill other animal for food. Hole, full with forks. Slash, cut laboriously with great effort. Snout, pointed nose of an animal. Cavity, a hollow space. Emerge, come out. Camouflage, hide or disguise something. Incubate, hatch eggs using warmth.